Hello friends, in this video we are dealing with the metal ion catalysis. Metal ions can be used in a variety of ways by the enzyme. In fact, they are so useful that about one third of enzymes use them for one thing or another. First is binding and orientation of substrate. By forming strong ionic interactions with substrate, it can be precisely oriented, especially strong because when water is excluded from active site, the dielectric constant is quite low. Second is redox reaction. Ions that have more than one possible charge state, for example Fe2 plus or Fe3 plus, can gain or lose electrons during the reaction, avoiding unstable charge intermediate. Third is shielding or stabilizing negative charges. If charge on substrate or on transition state is an integral part of the reaction, the enzyme can form strong ionic interaction with that charge which are stabilizing. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks a lot.